Hello dear kids, this is Alka Mehrotra and you all are watching Curiosity Solver. Before starting this video, I would like to thank you all for your love and support, and we have reached our 100 subscribers, and I want that you all should share this video with your friends, with your relatives, so that they can enjoy learning, understanding most of the topics that we have forgotten. Okay, the children who are studying in the earlier classes, they can understand, they can go through with these videos. But होता है ना कई बार जब हम बड़े हो जाते हैं और कई सारे पॉइंट्स हमारे सामने ऑल ऑफ अ सडन आते हैं तो थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता है. So these videos are going to help you a lot to just recollect all those points so that you can teach your, the next generation. Thank you very much. So now, as you can see here on the board, today we are going to complete this video. We had completed up to the 10th rule, no? So इस video में हम क्या करेंगे, from rule number 11 to 15 we will cover, and then after from the next video we will be starting a new topic. Is that clear to you all? So now let's start. See, whenever we talk about the name of a book, any house, or when we are talking about a hotel, see, most of the time it happens that the names of these particular places, particular things are starting up with plural words. See here, I have written some sentences like Pickwick Papers is an interesting book. क्या इसमें समझ में आ रहा है आपको? The Great Expectations was written by Charles Dickens. जब भी कभी हमारे पास कुछ ऐसे words होंगे like in which we will be ending up the word with a plural word, you can understand that, you can see that, हम उसमें ये बात ध्यान रखेंगे that the verb that we are going to apply in it should be singular in number, right? When we will talk about the name of a book, a house or hotel, such kind of things. I hope this point is clear to you. Now, rule number 12. See, collective noun you all know very well. What is a collective noun? When we talk about a group, that is a collective noun. We give them different names. But always remember, when we are using collective noun in a unit, at that time it will be given a singular verb in it whenever we are making sentences, and we are writing down the collective word as a unit. But if we are using the collective noun as individuals, like जब भी कभी कोई ऐसे words यूज किए जाएंगे जिसमें हमें उस collective word को भी एक individual form में यूज करना होगा, at that time plural verb will be applied in it. ये भी कैसे possible है? Just have a look. A herd of cattle is grazing near the field. Now just have a look here. I have used the word herd here for cattle. So here it's a group, that's why is applied as a verb in it. दूसरे में आइए. The class is learning English. Class means that doesn't matter whether they are having 20, 10, 50, 60. It's a class if the children are sitting over there. So it will be considered as a class. When the word class is used, a singular form of verb will be applied in it. लेकिन जब हम बात करेंगे some of the crew, that means here we are talking about some people from the crew were saved. That means we are using this term as individuals. That is why we are applying a plural form of verb in it. Now children, rule number 13. See, very simple and a small point. Whenever we talk about food, furniture, crockery, cutlery, stationery, footwear, these type of terms, whenever we use in the sentences, always remember to apply singular form of verb in it. Like, the furniture has been repaired. With furniture we have used singular form, and then after the cutlery has to be cleaned. It's a very simple rule, and I think whenever you make sentences, you used to apply such kind of rule in it. Now rule number 14, children. See, some nouns are having plural form, but whenever we use them in the sentences or whenever we go through the meaning of that particular word, it remains singular. You must have heard about these kind of words like news, mathematics. Okay, it seems that they are plural in number, but basically whenever you go through the meaning, they are singular. So whenever we will use such kind of words in the sentences, we will apply singular verb in it. Just have a look to the sentences. The news is not to be believed. See, with news, is applied in it. And then after mathematics is an interesting subject. So, I hope this point is clear to you all, and most of the time you have made such kind of sentences. So now the last point, the last rule of this video, and we are going to discuss it just now. See, we know about the phrases. In the first video, my first video, when I started uploading the video, at that time, I made a very first video in which I talk about, I discussed about sentences, words and phrases. So these kind of phrases are very simple for you all. Now I think you must have gone through like a lot of, plenty of, most of, a great deal of, some of. But the very important thing to remember about these things are, when we are using these kind of phrases and when they are referring to the amount and quantity, right? At that time we will apply singular number verb in it. But when they will discuss about, when they will refer to numbers, at that time we will be using plural form. How? A lot of work has to be done. See, when we are talking about verb, that means we are talking about the amount and quantity. Here number is having, we cannot talk about the numbers even in it. लेकिन दूसरे पर आ जाइए, most of the boys are playful in the class. अब यहाँ पे we are talking about most of the boys, like not each and everyone, but most of the. तो उसमें हमें numbers के बारे में discussion करना पड़ेगा. That is but obvious, no? So whenever we will write down these kind of words in which numbers will come, plural form of verb will be applied in it. लेकिन ऐसे sentences जिनमें हम इस तरह की phrases use करेंगे और उन्हें ऐसे represent किया जाएगा that they are discussing about, they are referring to the amount and quantity, at that time we will be using singular form of verb in it. Okay? So now from rule number 11 to rule number 15, everything is finished now. So there were 15 rules in it. Subject, verb, agreement. अब हम लोग कुछ twist करते हैं. Like in most of my shorts, I used to discuss about a particular topic, a point. लेकिन अब हम क्या करेंगे? I'll be giving you near about 5 or 6 sentences, and I'll not disclose the answers. You will have to wait up to Sunday. On Sunday, I'll be giving you the answers. So just stay tuned. Try to write down, try to solve the answers, try to write down somewhere in your rough notebook so that you can tally your answers with the video that I will be uploading on Sunday. Okay, so just stay tuned and wait for that. So now I have written some sentences over here. Just go through these sentences, try to write them down, and try to correct it also, because I have written some sentences are wrong, might be, they can be correct also, but that you have to decide. Okay, and I'll be giving you the answers on Sunday. So just have a look. The thief with all his men were killed. The congregation were waiting for the priest. She, as well as her daughters, are arriving today. The wages of sin are death, and what are the latest news? काफ़ी सारे sentences ऐसे होंगे जिनको पढ़ते ही click कर गया होगा. Yes, ma'am has discussed about this particular sentence. So I just want to tell you, just go through them. Take your time, try to write down the answers, and I'll be discussing the answers with you all. Do like, share, and subscribe the video. And thank you very much for your love and support. Thank you for watching.